Hey allihopa, hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Say It In Swedish. Today we're gonna talk about two words, or really four words, that you should not, under any circumstances, mix up. And I'm talking about the Swedish words for girlfriend and boyfriend, because we have other words that look like they mean the same thing, but really here we would talk about a male and a female friend. So let's jump right into it and talk about the words for girlfriend and boyfriend. We have flickvän, flickvän, and pojkvän. Pojkvän. So flicka means girl and vän means friend. So girlfriend. And pojke is boy. So that means boyfriend, and as you can see, both of these words could be directly translated into English to mean girlfriend and boyfriend. Now, we wouldn't run into any problems if these were the two words that existed in Swedish. Girlfriend, boyfriend, we all know what that means, but we have two more words that mean a female friend and a male friend, but their compounds mean the same thing as girlfriend and boyfriend. So we have tjejkompis, tjejkompis, and killkompis, killkompis. So if we look at these two words and their compounds, that also means girlfriend and boyfriend. We have tjej, which means girl, but in Swedish, this is a slang word that doesn't mean just a little girl, but it could also be a teenager, young adult, and nowadays also an adult. This isn't really a slang word anymore. And then we have kompis, which is a slang for friend. But it's so common that it's not really that slangy anymore either. So kompis is used a lot to mean friend, right? So it's not really weird to use it also like in any context. So as one word, tjejkompis would literally mean girlfriend or female friend. But if you look at it as a learner, you could think that flickvän and tjejkompis would mean the same thing. But they don't. Here we're talking about a friend, only a friend, Platonic. So important not to mix these two up. And then we have killkompis, consisting of kille, which is slang for a young man, I'd say. But it's really not that slangy anymore. It goes for all these three words. Tjej, kompis, kille. They are very, very frequently used. So, kille and then kompis, which meant friend. So, killkompis, a male friend. A friend that is male, a young man, whatever. Yeah. So don't mix that one up either. As you can see as a learner, when you take these apart, maybe you would think that they mean the same thing, but one means that you are an item and one means that you are in the friend zone, and you shouldn't interpret that in any other way. And this is important if you have Swedish friends and they introduce you as their killkompis or tjejkompis. They mean friend here and not girlfriend and boyfriend, which was flickvän and pojkvän. And to make it even more complicated, tjej can mean girlfriend on its own, and so can kille. Well, it would mean boyfriend, but tjej and kille without the kompis, they can mean girlfriend and boyfriend. I'm sorry. Alright, that was it for this short video. I hope that I could save some of you out there for any awkward situations or lost friendships maybe. And if you want to support me for doing that, you can do that on Patreon or on sayitinswedish.com, where I also have a lot more content for you that you can use to really learn Swedish. And if you want to talk to me and other fans and learners, you can be a part of this huge Say It In Swedish community, this wholesome community that we have over on Discord. And if you want to support further, you can buy my book, A Lagom Guide to Swedish. And we will see each other in another video. Alright, take care. Ha det bra. Puss och kram. Vi ses. Hej då.